Hello from Hennessy Land Rover. Today we're going to be taking a look at what makes the Evoque such a great choice if you're looking for a compact luxury SUV. The front of the Evoque is aerodynamic, as are most of your Range Rovers. It has the cool geometric grille, you have this black lettering on this specific model, and you have these excellent signature running lights that are common on all of the Range Rover vehicles. So immediately you know, even from far away, this is a Range Rover. One of the things that really sets the Evoque apart from competitors is the fact that you have a ton of different wheel choices available, as well as in different colors. They come in matte, they come in gloss, they come in machine face, and they come from 19 all the way up to 21-inch wheels. There is only one engine available on the Evoque, whether you get the S or the Dynamic SE, and that is the 250 horsepower twin turbo 4-cylinder. It is a very powerful engine. It's torquey. You get all your power down low, and it is part of our new Ingenium line of engines that was designed from the ground up to be the best that we could possibly offer. Whether you are driving the most compact Range Rover that is easier to maneuver in the city, or the full-sized Range Rover all the way at the top of the range, there are certain features that will bring them all together, like deployable door handles, for instance, or the fact that you can have this beautiful contrast roof where the bottom is body color and the rest is this gorgeous black that really just sets the car apart from others. In keeping with the design line of the Range Rover products, the Evoque has this spoiler on top that covers up the rear window, just like the other models. In addition to that, to match them, it has this cool belt that wraps all the way around the back that sort of obscures the lights. The Evoque is a compact SUV. We know this, so there's not going to be as much space as you would get from a full-sized or even a mid-sized SUV. But the Evoque does have leading space in the trunk area, as well as an actual spare. A lot of companies are not including spares. They're either relying on roadside assistance or run flat tires. With us, you get a spare. As you'd expect from a Range Rover, the interior is a wonderful place to sit. The seats are comfortable. You have an excellent leather wrapped steering wheel. All of your gauges and screens and buttons, everything are easy to get to and easily accessible. And now you have an awesome wireless charger down here that is actually closable beneath this giant screen that controls your nav, your music, your AC, and everything that you could possibly need to get to. The entire point of this video was to provide you with the information necessary to make an informed decision. And hopefully that decision is the Range Rover Evoque. It looks great, it's got a powerful engine, it's incredibly comfortable, and it's a Range Rover. Not everybody's driving one. If you have any additional questions, please come see us at one of our 3 locations. We hope to see you soon and have a great day.